Hello there, everyone. I'm going to try my sous vide again. This time I have a corned beef brisket, which you know I love. This is a little over 4 pounds, and it costs $22.12. See it? It's a good piece of meat. I'm going to open it up and rinse it off and get it ready. And I'm going to sous vide it. I'm going to vacuum seal it. And I'm going to cook it sous vide style for 24 hours. How's that look? Looks healthy. Now I gotta wash my hands. All right, hang on. Remember, the corned beef brisket always comes with this little seasoning package. But I'm gonna do it a little different. Since I never did this before, I cook brisket a lot in a pressure cooker and on the smoker and the slow cooker. I'm gonna put some rub on it. Roasted garlic and herb. And whatever you put on here right now, and if you seal it in a vacuum bag, the flavors will really get infused in there, especially when this is on a perfect temperature for hours. You can go 12 hours, 24, 2. You can go as long as you want. And I'm learning more that restaurants like this method because they can have their meats all in there. They could have 10 steaks in there at the perfect temperature. And when someone orders one, they take it and they throw it on the grill or however they finish it. Or pork or chickens or whatever you got going. That's why they like sous vide. See there? Seasoning and sous vide means under vacuum. That enough? I am going to put that little pickling place on top too. Or corny beef, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. But I like that. They never seem to give you enough of this. Stay on there. I left it a little damp so this would stick. Now, let me put this in a bag. And turn it over, and then I'll put that seasoning on the other side as well. We have rolls of vacuum sealing bags, but this is a bag itself. You know, it's just a bag, not a roll. Put this in it neatly. Ooh. Turn that over, put the rest of my pickling place on the other side. If that's what that's called. That rub smells so good. Oh yeah, it smells like, what is it? Barbecue, cumin, garlic flavor. Put these in there. Let's clean this up a little bit here. I have my Crenovo vacuum sealer here that I like a lot. I just reloaded probably a lifetime supply of sealing stuff here. Here we go. Vacuum seal it. Bear with me here. Press the button. Sealing. Wait till it stops. Okay. All right. Look at that baby. Brisket. Unplug your sealing machine. Lovely. See that seasoning on there? Put it in its water bath. Now that's not going to float. Okay, but we need the amount of water to be between these two lines, so I think I have too much water with the meat in there. Let me dump out just a little bit. See? Okay, that's good range. Take my AUAG sous vide cooker, put it in there. plug it in. I don't know if you can see this too, because last time I showed you I had to turn off the lights. Beef, it's on beef, how does it know? Beef. What's the set temperature? Hang on. 133. I want it hotter than that. I could change it too. Let's see. Press menu. I don't know if you can see this, can you?
I don't know.
Turn off that light if you can. Right. Beef ribs, 140. There's a manual setting, which is normal. This is manual setting. See, I want to go hot. Go to like 185 or 180. It looks nice. 170, 180. How high does it go? 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. I don't know. I don't want to go that high, do I? How high does it go? 200. Whoa! Alright, you know what? I'm going to go 185 until tomorrow morning, and I'm going to raise it to like 200 because I want my internal temperature to be 205 the way I like my brisket. So 185.5. Set the time here. We'll let that set. Set my timer for 24 hours. Look. 24, see? That's 24 hours. If you can see that. Sorry if you couldn't see that, but there you go. Alright, now it's, well, that's Celsius, I want Fahrenheit. There we go. It's coming up to 100 already. Alright. So I did it on the normal manual setting, 24 hours. When it comes up to temperature, the time will start counting down. And this is going to be a 24-hour sous vide brisket. And I'm going to love it. I'm going to taste it just like this when it's done. And I'm going to see if I'm going to finish it off in the smoker maybe. Stay tuned. It's right now, it's 8:45 a.m. Alright, now this is going to be here overnight. You know that. I should cover it up just to keep the heat in there. And they have bins with lids, but I didn't get the lid that came with this bin, so I'm going to put some foil on it. And I'm going to watch it, of course, through the night. And if I think it evaporates, I'll add a little more water. I'm just putting this on to keep the heat in. Kind of conserve a little. You know what I'm saying? But it's going to be fun knowing this is out here cooking all night. And you can do this if you're having a cookout. Put that in there the night before. When it's time to eat, take it out of there, throw it on the grill, finish it off. Or eat it like that, or smoke it. Okay? See you in the morning. Welcome back. Let me turn the power off here. It's been just about 24 hours. And let me tell you about it. During the course of the day and night, I added a little bit of water when I saw the water level drop. And there it is. And it shrank somewhat, I see. And it's not as tightly vacuum sealed as it was because of the shrinkage of the meat. But it looks done. I'm gonna put it out here on this cutting board. Let me get some. I can hold it. See? Juicy in there. Alright, I'm gonna open this by the sink here. Alright, it might be juicy here. Let's see what happens. I'm getting it. Oh, it's falling apart, look. See? I was trying to get it out with these tongs. It's just falling apart. So let me see what I can do here. I want to try to get a piece here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so tender. I want to try to get out one piece. Let me get a. tool like this or something like that. A tool like this or something like that. Oh. Oh. Look at. I was gonna warm up my smoker and finish it in the smoker, but wow, I don't think I have to. What do you think?
No, we're good. That looks perfect.
Yeah.
That looks perfect.
See, you cut it against the grain. See the grain like this? Oh, it's hot too.
Wow, that looks good.
See the grain? Stay there. Wow. Now brisket is one of the toughest cuts of meat. But when prepared right, like I just did, it melts in your mouth. And you know, brisket is about one of my favorite types of meat. Look. Oh. 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 Now remember, this is only the second time I used this sous vide cooker from AUAG. Check it out, I'll put a link down there. More info. And I really was gonna smoke this on my smoker. I have it already out there. But I don't have to, do I? Look how beautiful it came out. And I'm gonna let it rest some more after I have a few more morsels of it. And then I'm gonna make a nice Reuben sandwich. How's that gonna be? Is that a nice picture there? Don't even need this. Watch. Don't need that. You want to taste what this? Huh. What do you think?
Oh my God. No need to smoke that. It's delicious. So tender. Oh my gosh.
So get yourself a sous vide cooker and cook a 24-hour corned beef brisket. Could have went last time. Could have probably went 4 or 6, 8, I don't know, but I had to try it. I love it. I'm gonna make myself a Reuben now, but I'm using coleslaw. I have sauerkraut, but I don't put coleslaw on it. And this has to be the best Reuben I ever tasted because that corned beef was the best. I got some rye bread here. I'll make it kind of like a grilled cheese sandwich. Talk about low and slow. That was the way to go, wasn't it? 24 hours. And remember, you don't have to go that long. And some people ask me lately, why would I cook anything 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours? Because the sous vide method keeps it at the perfect temperature. So whenever you're ready to eat, or your guests are ready to eat, or you're ready to put your steaks on, they're there at the right temperature, and it just holds it. I believe I started at 185 degrees yesterday, and I went up to 195 at about halfway through. Let's get these toasted up a little bit. I need bigger pieces of bread, don't I? That's gonna be a little sandwich of meat. Russian dressing, coleslaw, and that beautiful work of art. That's so good. I could eat it all right now. I really could. You know I could. Oh, don't forget Swiss cheese. 2 double slices. Turn the bread over. Get a little toasty on there. Come on. Toast this one. We got sizzle going. We'll get a little crunchy. Butter. First I'm gonna take my 1 double slice of Swiss cheese. Fold it to fit that bread. Is that good? Then I'm gonna slice myself some of this good meat against the grain. Step aside. It's so tender. See, it's almost halfway gone already. Gently take your meat, put it on your bread. Gently.
Ooh, gonna burn that hunk of toast. Smoke alarm. I like them brown. Yeah, that's good, just like that. All right, take that off the heat. Cheese is melting. Come on. I'm so excited, I'm panicking. Is this coleslaw out? You know you could use sauerkraut. There you go. A little cheese on top of that. Let's put that there. And get your Russian dressing if you like that. Here we go. Gonna be sloppy. Wanna take a bite? Got a paper plate. Oh. Whoa. That pan hot? Yep. Check it out. See? I'm gonna eat it. 24-hour Reuben sandwich. Are you in there? Sous vide. You know I like brisket. You know I like it. Oh yeah. Thank you, thank you. Best one ever. Let me finish enjoying this. I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much. Try it yourself. Stop back soon. I'm gonna eat all this. See ya.